Hello, I'm Ozy Abram. I'm the chief editor from Uni-Edit, also 中文有限公司. Thank you for coming today to our seminar about English writing. I'd like to thank the staff at your organization for organizing this special event, and I'd also like to thank my staff for organizing the event today too, and our presenter Daniel Bowles, who will be giving the seminar talk. Uni-Edit specializes in English editing and translation of academic manuscripts, and we have a lot of experience editing and translation, more than 10,000 manuscripts altogether across all different fields in academia. And we've been serving customers in Taiwan for over 10 years now. And so we have a deep understanding as a team about the challenges that Taiwanese authors face when they're writing English manuscripts. Today's seminar is all about sharing some of those experiences with you. A little bit about me. I will try to speak in Chinese, and I apologize if my Chinese is not so good. 我是安雅吉，我10年前搬到台湾为了学中文，在师范大学跟台湾大学学了1-2年的中文。不好意思，我的中文还是有很多问题。但是因为我学过了中文，我很了解这个学第二个语言，而且会遇到什么样的困难写作论文。我住了台湾差不多7年了，后来离开。Sorry, that's the best I could do with the Chinese. I hope you could understand. So thank you again for coming today. I hope you enjoy the seminar and learn some useful information about English writing. My staff, Daniel, is there to answer your questions, as are my other staff to help as well. Thank you very much and enjoy today. Bye-bye.